Hello friends and welcome to the official CedCommerce channel. It's me Shekhar this side and I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. And I'm back again with a new series of videos today, and in this series of videos I'll be talking about Amazon Product Importer, which is an extension, a solution by CedCommerce, and with the help of this extension you can import the products of Amazon Marketplace to your Magento 2 admin panel, and from there you can sell it from your Magento 2 store to the buyers. So let's start and see how this importer works. And in this first video I'll be talking about the configuration part, which is the most important part before doing anything else in this importing process. So let's see how we complete the configuration process. So friends, once you install this extension, you can see your Magento 2 admin panel something like this, and on the left navigation bar you can see Amazon Product Importer. So to start the configuration you need to click on this Amazon Product Importer, and on clicking it you can see Amazon configuration on top, and you need to click on it in order to complete the configuration process, and a page like this opens in front of you. So here you can see Amazon Mws Settings. So here you can enter the Mws service URL, which you can get from the link here. You can get the link from this page, and the link to this page will be given in the description. You can see in the bottom or in the description of this video you can see this link, and upon going on this link you can get the your service URL according to your country and other needs. The next thing is Mws Seller ID, and this is something that you get from your Amazon Seller Center. So you need to log into your Amazon Seller account, and from there you can get this seller ID, and we'll be giving the link of this seller account that you can log in from in the description. And you can also see our document here, and we'll be giving that link to document also in the description. You can see the link in the description, and you can see how you can retrieve Amazon seller account identifiers and credentials, and you can see all these images over here, and this is how you'll be retrieving or you'll be getting your credentials. So Mws Seller ID, Mws Marketplace ID, Mws Access Key ID, Mws Auth ID, and Mws Secret ID. All these IDs you can get from your Seller Center, and you can go through our doc to know more about it, and you can go through the link, or you can log into your seller account and get all these IDs. Next thing is select store, and here you need to select the store on which you want the Amazon products to be imported. So now the next part is Amazon AWS setting. So again, the AWS API key, AWS tag key, AWS secret key, and these details you can get from your Amazon Seller Center, like you get all the details from your Seller Center about the Mws. You can get the details about AWS also from your Amazon Seller account, and you can go through our doc for this also, and you can see how you get the details. Now Endpoint URL, this is something that you can get from this page, and the link to this page will be given to you in the description, and you can get it from here and paste it over here. Now the last part here you can see is upload CSV file. So here you can browse, or you can select the file from your system and upload the CSV file here, in which all your products, all the products that you want to import from Amazon are listed, and you can upload the CSV file here, and later on while importing the products you can use this option to import the products for Amazon. So once you are done with all these details, once you have filled all the details and selected the necessary options, all that you need to do is to click on this save configuration button on the top right of the page, and once you click it your configuration gets saved, and you get this message on top of the page, you save the configuration. And this is how you complete the configuration process, and after this you can start importing products from Amazon Marketplace to your Magento 2 admin panel or your Magento 2 store, and you can start selling after that. But that is something that I'll be talking about in our next video, where we'll be talking about how we import the products exactly from Amazon Marketplace. So in that video I'll be telling that, and till then you can see this video and you can see how we complete the configuration process in this whole process of importing products for Amazon. and you can see this video and complete the configuration process. We'll be back again with a new video very soon. I'll be back with a new information very soon on how to import products from Amazon, and till then you can see this video, and all that you can see is you can configure the settings like this, and in the next video you can see how you import the products. So this is me, Shekhar, signing off now. Take care. Bye bye.